I really love bringing the client's personality into their home. It's all about them feeling comfortable in their home. It's a connection. They have to feel like it's their sanctuary. It's like their own personal space, that it's something that they absolutely love to come home to every day. It's not about, what a magazine looks like or having it be better than the Joneses. It's really about a personal connection. And I really try to get my clients involved in that process, making them feel comfortable with it, having them feel like they take ownership in the whole design process. There's a lot of times that, or I've seen, I should say, designers in the past that bring a really strong sense of themselves and what they want into a home, but that's not what it's all about. It's really about what the client wants. I had a client one time that I designed this gorgeous living room for, and she had a beautiful grand piano in the living room, and she saw this really funky rug. It was a piano rug, and first time I saw it, I was like, "Oh my God, this is just gonna not look hard. It's gonna look horrible." But the more I thought about it, I said, "You know what? This is really cool. This is her personality. She loves it. It's her house." And every, time I go into that space, I look at it and I say, it's fun. It's a fun element. It's an element that the client loves, and that's really what it's all about, is bringing what they love into the space, not what I love. I mean, of course, I'm going to be helping them out along the way, but it's really about what they love. It's interesting. Some of my clients have a really strong idea of what they want, and then some of them have like absolutely no clue. They've seen something that they like, but they don't know how to express that and turn that into something that would work for them in their homes. So it's really about me being a detective and kind of getting them to express what they like and what they don't like. And that's kind of part of the process, is really one of the things I do, if they're willing to do it and they're interested, is a guided meditation process. It's called synchro alignment, and it really helps them shut off their mind and tap into really what's inside of them, of what they're really truly looking for in their home. So it's an interesting process, but you got to be open to it. And so from taking that information, we kind of work a bit with magazines. I bring a lot of different elements in to see if there's things that they like and they don't like. And from all that information, being the little detective supposedly that I am, I take that information and then start really working on a design that is truly unique to them and to their home.